Hiccups remain a mystery in the medical community. We're not really sure where they come from, and we're not sure what they do for us. What we do know is that a hiccup is kind of like a forced intake of air, most likely caused by a muscle spasm in the esophagus or the swallowing tube. The hic sound that you hear is the snap closure of the glottis, which separates the feeding tube from, or the swallowing tube from the breathing tube. Most hiccups will go away on their own within an hour or with various remedies. Anything that lasts over an hour should be brought to the attention of your physician.